Hey guys, my name is Lauren and welcome to a brand new unboxing. Today we're going to be unboxing the Elgato Key Light. I was gifted this item by one of you guys through Throne Gifts for my birthday, so thank you so much. I really appreciate it and it's honestly mind-blowing. Thank you, thank you all. Oh god. This shit's heavy. This is it. Oh my goodness. Look, it's bigger than me. This is the Elgato Key Light. Same thing as for the Stream Deck. It is very well made, the box, the packaging, it's very nice and sleek. One thing I did notice is that it doesn't open from the top. It can only slide out from the sides, which I think is a slight design flaw actually, because I think it's a lot easier to be able to open up a big box like this rather than having to slide it out. I don't know, it just seems a lot easier, but that's my only remark. Alright, so without further ado, let's unbox this one as well. Now let's unbox this bad boy. It's a massive box. As I said before, you can't open it this way. You can only slide it out from the sides. Watch it fall on the floor. Alright, so it arrives with the logo on the front, which is really nice to see. Let's take this off. Okay, so it comes with a little start guide showing you how to set it up, how to mount it in different languages. Also, can I just compliment the sustainable packaging for this one? Chef's kiss. Ooh! Oh my goodness. Guys, the quality of this feels and looks insane. I wish I could show you this properly. Oh, they've got the logo on the back as well. Oh my god. Holy shit. Wow. I don't know if you can hear that, but that's some really sturdy material. Anyway. What's in this little box? So I'm assuming this is for the mounting. Amazing. And it's got a cable and everything. Okay, so these are all the materials for the mounting, as you can see, and the installing. Here is the clamp, which I'm gonna have to find a way to get this on somewhere. Because my desk was not built for this. Lol. So here's the clamp. As you can see, just twist this. Done. And thank you so much for watching. Make sure that if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye guys.